If you give a girl chocolates, she might be delighted, but she might also wonder, what's inside it? If it's from Azure, she'll grin ear to ear, because real food's the only thing you'll find here. They check who grows it and how it's been made, and that every choice meets the standards they've laid. So if you give a girl chocolate, you may find Azure delivers unmatched peace of mind. And maybe she'll share a square or two, but probably not. You'd better order your own too. Chocolate is absolutely my sweet treat of choice, and I'm always on the lookout for something that doesn't have corn, soy, weird emulsifiers, and junk in it that I just don't want or need. So when Azure released their new line of chocolate bars and sent me one of every flavor, I was, of course, over the moon. I love Azure so much. You guys hear me talk about them all the time because they really do care about the quality that they are selling. So I know that everything in here is 100% clean and well sourced, and I can just enjoy my sweet treat with none of the guilt or worry. So far, I've only had the special dark, but I'm going to taste all of the rest of them for the first time right now with you guys. So let's see. Let's start with semi-sweet. They are packaged really well. This is not easy to tear into. That's really good. I feel like this would be more everybody's cup of tea than the special dark, because the special dark is 80%. It's very dark. It's in that more bitter category. Still very nice, but I feel like this is more everyman's chocolate. This is good. Dark chocolate caramel. This one's a 55% chocolate as well, so it should be pretty comparable, but with a caramely note. Those are really good. It's a very subtle caramel. This is really nice. I actually kind of really like that it's not caramel filling, because caramel filling sometimes is like sticky sweet and kind of gross in chocolates. I thought this was very nice. Okay, let's try the other one. They actually have a dark salted caramel, and I am curious if I can tell the difference back to back between the salted caramel and the regular caramel. We'll see how discerning my palate is. It is different. I'm actually a little bit surprised. It actually is really different. It is good. I think I like the regular caramel a smidgen better, but this definitely is also nice. It has more of the dark chocolate, more bitter caramel and chocolate notes. Very, very nice though. Just definitely a darker one. Let's do coffee next. I love a good coffee chocolate. This one, deep roast coffee and dark chocolate. So this one should be really good. Okay, it takes a second. At first I couldn't taste any coffee. It took a second, but the coffee flavor is in there and it comes through really nice, but it just took a second. But this is very nice, subtle, very subtle. Okay, last but not least, we've got the mint. Ooh, I can smell the mint already. We'll see. Really good. Not too minty, not like a toothpaste minty at all, but not as subtle as the caramel and the chocolate. There's also another really nice one. That mint definitely lingers though. It's got that very fresh minty. It's very nice, good end note, nice and fresh. If I had to choose an absolute favorite, it'd probably be, gosh, I'll pick my top two. I really liked this dark chocolate caramel. It was really good. And then I'm a big just dark chocolate girl. I like the 80% dark. That was really nice. Not a bad flavor among them. I will say it doesn't have that, I like the texture a lot. It doesn't have that really sticky squishy, slippery texture like a Hershey's or something, that kind of plasticky, very emulsified texture. But it's not a coarse grind like the Taza chocolates. It's somewhere in the middle of that. And it's nice. It's got amazing flavors and it's a really economical price point. It's less than $4 a bar. So this is definitely going to be a new go-to in our household. If you want a bunch more information about all of Azure's product standards, I'll put a link to that in this video's description and you can hear straight from the source exactly what the Azure Standard is. If you guys want to sign up for a free account and start shopping amazing chocolate bars and other pantry staples, you can find that link in the description as well. And if you're new to Azure, don't forget to use the code PATIENCE15 to save an extra 15% off on your first order. A little gift from one chocolate lover to another.